everyone, welcome back to another video where I'm gonna be showing you some delicious, healthy desserts. These are all super yummy, you're gonna love them. We're making strawberry rhubarb crisp, some Twix bars, and also some brownie batter. That's edible, it's raw, it's yummy. Let's go ahead and jump into the first recipe. While our Twix bars are setting, I want to go ahead and mention today's sponsor, which is LMNT. I've been obsessed with their new grapefruit flavor. Guys, if you have not heard of LMNT, A, where have you been? Because it's been a ride or die. B, you need to get yourself some LMNT. This is some electrolytes that I add to my water every single day, at least one, if not two, depending on my activity levels, how much I'm sweating and all that. They come in these really convenient packets. Like I said, have been using these for at least a year, probably over a year now, year and a half. Every single day I keep them in my purse. I travel with them. They're so easy and convenient, and they're full of all the minerals that our body needs. So even on a healthy, like whole foods diet, you can still need electrolytes. And some signs you might need some are headaches, muscle cramps, because all of the electrolytes are really needed for your body to function properly. Also helps with fatigue, carb cravings in between meals. The ingredients are super clean. It's paleo, it is keto, no gluten, vegan friendly, and of course, no bad ingredients. It was founded by Rob Wolf, so you know the quality is going to be amazing. It's used by NBA players, NFL, and of course, Keep Up With Liv, and hopefully you. I know so many of you guys have tried and fallen in love with LMNT. In fact, even just my friend the other day was like, oh my God, LMNT changed the game. Chocolate flavor is also really good. Try the chocolate flavor. And that being said, they are giving you guys 8 free sample packs. So follow my link down below, drinklmnt.com/keepupwithliv. It has to be this link if you guys wanna try 8 free packets with any order. Whether you're new or whether you're returning, you can still get 8 free sample packs, which is amazing. They were so generous with that. Like I said, ride or die. I use them, my fiance, all my friends use them, my clients use them, you guys use them. They're so yummy, so good, clean, especially coming into summer. You wanna get your hands on some electrolytes, definitely check them out down below. I just mix it with water. I always start my day off with LMNT, so the first thing in the morning, 500 mils of water and some LMNT, and then normally again in the afternoon, depending on my sweat levels. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely make these healthy recipes and tag me when you make them. And do not forget to get your free 8 sample pack of LMNT with any order. Follow the link below. Let me know what your favorite flavors are. Like I said, my favorite original flavors are raspberry, citrus, and chocolate. And then the new grapefruit, oh, it's so good. I love it. Been obsessed with having it every single day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.